working on my high-speed computer line. Good morning. Today quick setup for cold smoking ham. This is third time smoking for 4 to 5 hours. And I got a friend of, he's sitting in Norway and like to see the setup of cold smoking like sausage or the ham. And okay, so you just got an idea how easy it is to cold smoke in the regular smoker. I only use the back chamber of the smoker, and I took the racks out and put some wood in there to get everything a little higher, because I want to let the drip pen sit in there. Makes the smoke flow a little more even inside. The chimney open, and I add a little spacer to get a little gap for some extra airflow. So you will have also a little fresh and cold air going with the smoke. We start a small fire and let it burn down, and then we add some more wood and close the chamber so we only get the smoke and not too much flame. Okay, add some more wood. And close the chamber. So now we got the smoke. Okay, we got smoke. And we still got a small fire. We put some juniper leaves on there. Usually they're under protection, so you're not allowed to take something from nature. But this is from a farmer who had a storm taking down some trees and splitting a bush in half, so we get some, so we can use it for smoking. Usually you only use the berries to smoke or give some flavor to the meat. The sun is shining on the smoker. We have to check the temperature, because temperature inside will rise through the sun. We got about 35 degrees now, measuring the temperature on the outside of the metal, so that's a little bit higher than the meat itself. But we have to give it some shade so it's not rising too high. We also get to check the inside, see what it looks like at the moment. Temperature is there. Make sure it's not rising too much, otherwise the meat will get pretty dry. So we turn everything around. Well, that's basically what I do, smoking cold with the barbecue smoker. Hope that helped a little bit to get an idea how this works. Okay, thanks for watching. The best wishes to Norway, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.